CDC's most recent update on coronavirus and the possibility of widespread outbreak in the United States. Concerned residents are buying face masks to protect themselves. But mask suppliers can't keep up with the high demand, leading to a shortage. As News 13's Erica Orstad tells us, this has unintended consequences without actually protecting against the illness.
At two local pharmacies in Lynn Haven, where there used to be face masks, are now empty shelves.
We haven't been able to get masks in several weeks now.
Lauren Parker at Mullins Pharmacy says the masks have been in high demand and suppliers just can't keep up.
We order from one of the largest wholesalers and they are out of stock.
The same is true at Adams Pharmacy down the street. No masks left for anyone, including people who are actually sick with the flu and need the masks to prevent illness from spreading.
It is cold and flu season. At this time, we should be focusing on prevention for cold and flu and try to keep that down and keep that from spreading.
The Florida Department of Health says face masks should only be used by people who show symptoms of illness to help prevent spreading disease, as well as health workers and people who are taking care of others that may be sick. As of now, with 14 known cases of coronavirus in the United States and none in Florida, physicians recommend good hygiene as the first line of defense.
Hand washing is really important. And then trying to avoid sick people. If somebody's coughing, sneezing, just don't get in close proximity with them, maybe even avoiding shaking hands at this time of year.
Keeping healthy habits could keep you from getting sick with the cold and flu and even coronavirus. In Panama City, Erica Orstad, News 13, Panhandle Strong.